I'm making this video real quick to show you this new CMS system that's online called Tidy that I think the two high schoolers that are in the web design competition might want to try. It runs in a web browser, so you can open in Chrome. You go to tidycms.com, and then to use it, you just hit Try Tidy. And you want to go ahead and log in up here. And what I would recommend doing, if they haven't already created a Gmail account or a Google account, they need to, and then just log in with their Google account. Makes it simple. So I'm going to do that real quick. And now the first thing you do is you select a template. Now in the competition they say you can't use a template, but what they say is you can't use a theme, but you can use a template because you're basically going to need a template to start with to kind of give you the basics. So pick the one. I would not use the blank HTML because it's just going to be bare bones HTML code. You wouldn't be able to use it. This fancy one is going to be more complicated. I would stick to probably this Midori or this Bootstrap 3 starter. So that's the one I'm going to pick. And that's just going to give you basic Bootstrap, which is a tool set for HTML that allows you to create buttons and things like that. You can see it's just basic. You can customize all of this. So we're going to create the site. And when you first set it up, you'll have to set up your team name. I'm going to call this Clay. And I'm going to change the site title to be Clay Site 001. And I'm going to create this new site. And see, it's created my site. Okay, you can watch this video on your own. I've already seen it 3 times, so I'm going to skip it. But now you've set up and you're ready to work on your page, and it's real simple. You can just select and edit in place, like so. And then just save your changes up here. You can also publish your site if you want to. You've just got a single page in this one. You may want one that gives you multiple pages because you're not going to get your menu's not going to have anything but the front page. Let's add a page real quick. And let's call this page About Us. And that'll be the navigation title. That sounds good and we'll use front page as a template. We'll add a new page. And so because we use front page as a template, they're identical, except this one says Hello World. And now our menu has About Us. It'll take some playing around in this to kind of get used to it and figure out where stuff is, but quickly on this side, you've got your pages where you can pick which pages you want to work with. If you want to edit the files are here. So let's go and we'll look at style sheets real quick. And the styles, and it actually gives you the style code. There's nothing in there right now. Templates show you where your templates are, like your header template, your nav bar, if you want to edit that. This thing here is the gray area is called a jumbotron. So if you want to change that, it'll change it for every page. So you may just want to, if you have questions, just email me about it. But the nice thing is you can publish your website right here. Now the other thing you can do with this that you can't do with something else is, I know some of you students have trouble with having access to a computer, but the Mississippi State University Meridian branch, the library in the back, the Phil Hardin Foundation Library, is open to the public, and they have some computers, and you can use this. I'm going to make another video real quick to show you what you do when you get to the library. First of all, always ask, don't assume, be polite, etc., etc. They're very nice people, and they'll take really great care of you as long as you don't push it. And no food or drinking, no talking in the library. That's my rule, not theirs. So that's this video. If you have questions, email.